Hi, I'm Nick from Alpha Power Cleaners. Today we're going to be talking about the Tennant T12 ride-on scrubber dryer. In this particular video we'll be discussing how to fill up the machine with water. It's a fairly simple task. The clean water tank or solution tank is situated in the center of the machine over here. To do so, best practice is use a hose rather than a bucket. If you are using a bucket, just be careful that there's no sand or grit at the bottom of the bucket. Best practice is to fill up the machine 2 to 3 inches from the top and then add your solution or detergent. When using detergent, best to use a low foaming degreaser, preferably alkaline based and not a solvent. A lot of the times it will say on the drum of the detergent that it can be used in a scrubber dryer. In our case, we offer the Alpha Scrub detergent, which is our own brand, and we would recommend a 3 to 5% dilution ratio. If the machine is going to be standing for a few days, it's best to drain the solution tank so that the water doesn't become stagnant. To do so, simply go to the rear of the machine on the left-hand side. There you'll find the drain hose. Simply undo the cap and allow gravity to do the rest. Water will then just simply run out the machine.